What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on my brother's truck. He has this Chevy with a 5.3 liter LS and we're going to be removing these headers from it and installing these Longtube headers with a cat delete. Here we go with the cart and a lot of the tools. I'm sure we're going to need more tools in a bit too. Are we taking spark plugs out?
We can't even get to that.
Oh! Boom. Really important, guys, before you do any work on your cars, you got to make sure you read the labels to make sure you know everything that's, what you're getting into, okay? These are 13 millimeters and they're known to break. I'm gonna tap them closely. There's one on this side, and one on this side, and then two more on the other side.
This one and this one are broken.
Okay, now under the truck, we're gonna remove these catalytic converters, both sides, all the way down. Right. O2 sensors off. Next is these bolts here. Got three. 1, 2, 3. Some of the bolts were seized and stripping, so we got the sawzall out.
It's cutting? I know. It's barely cutting, way.
Is it the blade?
Yeah, the blade. Yeah, it started cutting, but it's not just staying there.
You gotta hydrate when you're working outside. Winner. So we got a little problem here. So the very last bolt is broken. So we got bolts on both sides that are broken.
Clamp them to where I can tell that it's turning. There it goes.
I can see that. Oh yeah, it's turning. Definitely turning, dude. It's going.
Trying shit and trying shit, trying shit and trying shit.
Spray some more? Baker, spray some.
Okay.
Era para adelante.
So you slowly go up in size, start here, there. By the time you get here, you're gonna need a new engine. So the extracting tool broke. Damn.
Switch it up. Try shit, won't work.
Okay, we're going to plan D. We're gonna weld them on.
Pédala, güey. ¿Sí, no?
Ah, chinga.
Así jala más rápido. Ya, más no se puede hacer eso, ¿no?
You got it?
Yeah. Ceramic wrap.
Ceramic wrap? Fiberglass ceramic?
Fiberglass.
Alright, Vic. You're going to show people how to do this, and you will be judged. You know anything about the internet, you will be judged. This guy posted a picture of his truck, lifted with camo stuff on it and red wheels. And he's like, what should I do to it next? Get a clip and throw it off it.
Damn, dude, that's up.
Let me start what you should take off first. Ruthless, dude.
Heck yeah.
20 minutes later.
God, dude, I can't take it. God. Wasn't doing this shit earlier to me.
Right, the headers are wrapped nice and tight. And this one, we went all the way down on this one. I might do it on this one too. I'll add a little more here. All right, we got some ARP bolts. They're gonna go on the headers themselves. And when you use these bolts, they come with these washers. Now, if you look at these washers though, there's a groove on one side, right? See how there's a groove there? The other side, there's no groove there, right? So these are specifically made for you to put them like that. Okay, so make sure they go this way. Do not put them the other way. You will mess up your engine. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know which way this go, but obviously that has a direction. We're gonna go this way.
Which way does it go? I would say yes.
Like that? So the groove goes on the side of the actual nut.
Correct.
Because
this side's smoother, and then this is a little bit more rugged when you compare both of them. But if I were to say there was a certain position this needs to be placed, I would say it needs to be this way.
tell me which way the washer goes.
This way, up,
Yeah,
and it's just for. I would say it's just for to have it easier to put it in. I don't know.
Fascinating.
Oh, there it goes. That is perfect. Okay. Yep, that's perfect.
That's gonna go exactly like that.
Yep.
So the gasket.
And the headers are installed with gaskets, bolted down, even the spark plugs are in. And the other side's done too, but some of these loose threads on this wrap will burn off as soon as we fired it up. Right behind you.
But one thing that we learned is you assemble that rod prior to bolting up.
We did have to cut about an inch off the downpipe to make it fit. And now the dipstick.
Alright, that way better. You're way off. Man.
I thought, but I'm way. How the f that makes
So
sense? Fool?
it's, I mean,
Hey, when are you planning? When do you think we'll be done with this?
What's today? Sunday?
What?
yeah, that's perfect. Now push. Just push down on it.
Here's the beast.